Hello YouTube. In this video I would like to show you one of a project that running on the Linux based operating system. Is called LTSP. LTSP is a Linux terminal server project. Is the project that at uh, the project, if you have a good server with the good specification of the server, and then also you have a client computer, a large client computer, and you want to centralize this computer, this project is good for you. uh, uh, in the client side you don't need the hard drive. The client side booting via local area network that running on your uh, local area network. Through the local area network, the client booting and get the kernel on the server and load to your system, and it's is manageable, so you can manage the client on the server side. Let's try. In this video I'm using Dell Optiplex 390 with the i3 of processor and 4 gig of memory. In the client and the server is the same specification, because it is only the test of the LTSP server project, to show you that the LTSP is running and on my Ubuntu. I'm using the Ubuntu 16.04 channel for this system. I will show you the how to create it, because I'm also using a site to configuration my server, so I will put the link on my video description. Okay, let's try the booting the client using the LTSP. I move the camera little bit close to me, to the display. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. That's it. I boot the computer first, and I push F12 to go to the boot site. And if you see here, a network onboard NIC here, I'm using onboard NIC to boot this computer and running the kernel from the server. Okay, this is PXA, get the MAC address, broadcast, get the IP, and then get the boot from the server. This is the IP, and then loading the kernel here. This is the loading the kernel, process the copying, and then they boot. Normally booting the process boot. Okay, I hope you can see. Yes, now it's working. This is the display that on the server. So when I put a username, my username, and then the password, and they will load the, because I'm here when I see screen. Sorry, I'm using the Ubuntu 16.04 channel. I'm using the Flukebox, so when I'm using my workstation, I'm using also Flukebox Windows Manager, and here I'm loading from a client side. It's also appeared on the Flukebox. When I'm using the LibreOffice is running normally. Actually, this is running on the server, but the display come out on the client side. So this is the the LibreOffice that running on the client side. And then when I'm playing the music here, the sound on the client side, not on the server side. So when you play the music, the client side play the music and the sound on the client side. Okay, that's it. Just small introduction about the LTSP. One day when I have time, I will give you step by step how to install the LTSP. It's easy. It's not too difficult to do that. Yes, you need to read carefully about the configuration. Okay. Okay. When you make sure if you want to build the system something like this, you have the good resource, and then on the network you have also have a good network with the good speeds and also the switch of your local area network. So when all is complete, I hope you have enjoyed the boot using terminal client without the hard disk, so fast. Okay, thank you for this video. Thank you for watching, and then subscribe if you like it. If you like it, please thumb up. If you don't like it, please thumb down. And see you in the next tutorial. I will paste the link of the website that content how to config this LTSP, something like this. Yeah. Okay, see you in the next tutorial, and bye bye.